One-day science and arts exhibition held in St. Paul High School. St. Thomas School to celebrate Silver Jubilee. Korkanthi BJP candidate Raju Tiso inaugurates BJP offices at multiple places. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong, English Primetime with Margaret Tarangpi. Under the initiative of Father Justin Kurian, a one-day science and arts exhibition was held in St. Paul High School, Rongmongwe on Wednesday. Here is a report. During the program, students from Little Flower High School, St. Joseph High School, Rongmongwe High School and other schools in the adjacent areas have taken part. Adhering to the theme of the event, students had prepared models related to culture and tradition of the people of India and most especially of Northeast. Speaking on the occasion, Father Justin Kurian said the children of the area do not get enough scope to improve their talents, and many of them have ruined their knowledge due to lack of opportunity. The exhibition was organized with an aim to encourage the students to show their talent in science and arts. He said that there is no lack of talented children in the Rongmongwe area and that through such exhibitions, confidence will develop in the children. He urged the parents as well as the society to help such children to progress in life.
A remarkable day for St. Paul's High School, Rongmongwe, and it is indeed a happy day for all the children, teachers, staff, because many people have come from near and far to witness this very exhibition, science and arts exhibition conducted by St. Paul's High School, Rongmongwe. Most of the children, they have participated well, they have exhibited their talents through different projects and different plans of the lessons here. And it's also a day for all of us to keep in mind that science and arts exhibition always giving new ways to learn new things through the education, and this will also focus the very fact of giving quality education to children nearby in the society here in Rongmongwe.
As a chief guest in the event, Rongmongwe Police Station OC Jivan Marak was present along with his family.
Today, 25 May tarikhe St. Paul High School Rongmongwe আজি সায়েন্স আৰু আৰ্টছ এক্সিবিশ্যন অনুষ্ঠিত কৰা হৈছে। খুব ধুনীয়া পৰিৱেশ আৰু আমাৰ ফাদাৰে যিখিনি ইনিচিয়েটিভ লৈছে খুব ভাল লাগিছে। আহি মেলি বহুতখিনি ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীয়ে ধুনীয়া ধুনীয়া আপোনাৰ ছায়েন্সৰ ওপৰত কিছুমান প্ৰজেক্ট বনাইছে আৰু আগন্তুক দিনত তেনেকৈ অনুষ্ঠান আৰু পাতিব বুলি আশা কৰিছোঁ। খুব ভাল হৈছে অনুষ্ঠান।
Love Singh Terang from Rongmongwe, Karbi Anglong Live. Arrangements are in full swing for the Silver Jubilee celebration of St. Thomas School located in Hidipi. This was informed by the principal, Nelson Teron, during our correspondence visit to the school. Established in 1997, the school has been serving as a major place of learning for the children under Borjan area. The principal informed the teachers and students are restlessly working to make all arrangements done perfectly for the Jubilee to be held from May 28 to 30. They are rehearsing for their traditional and modern dances and singing performances. Principal Teron also informed that ordination ceremony of a new priest will be held during the event. He had urged the people of Hidipi Borjan area to be present to give well wishes to the school. Many former students who have passed out from the school are expected to be present in the Jubilee program. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilay, Karbi Anglong Live. With the purpose of campaigning for the ensuing Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election, Korkanti BJP candidate Raju Tiso inaugurated several BJP offices at multiple places here today. Here is a report. The inauguration program was organized by the Korkanti BJP Mandal Committee, and the BJP candidate was also feted by party workers and supporters for retaining party's ticket and confidence. The party offices were inaugurated at Teke Langjun, Dentaghat, Samilangso and Langlokso, during which the candidate welcomed new members who merged with the BJP from opposition parties. The BJP candidate, during his campaign speech, called upon the people of the constituency to continue their support by voting the BJP to allow them to serve the people and the nation. Further, he urged upon the people of the constituency to cast their valuable votes to the BJP to carry on the good work launched by their government.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, labang so election na campaign bang nilitum pinipen kapangcheng itu. Nilitum tokmoka Bharatiya Janata Party office long. Nilitum कार्यकर्ता तुम पेन हाल डाक्टर नील तुम इसी नोनसोना माय हाल डाक्टर पदु टेकांग लो नोनसोना थाक्सी बागपानी मतंग ते टेके लांजुन दलंगता भारतीय जनता पार्टी पीएस तुम पेन शक्ति केंद्र अंदर के दो लीडर तुम पेन नोनसोना थाका माय डाक्टर टेकांग वांगथु पेन ako Dentaghat मतंग दोंका चिंटू हाल डाक पुसिता में शक्ति केंद्र अंदर के दोआन पीएस लीडर सतुम्पेन लोकल लीडर सतुम्पेन हाल दक्ता नोसोना थाकामाय दुटेकांग लापेंके सामेलांग सुतालो लांगलोकसो नो लादाक बांके नि हांगसो बांगा नांग पागिसलो लासे आलोंग तिना लोंग पुसिता में ओंगदुंग अवका सुनंगि तोंगदुलो लापेनेनि तुमा कैंपेन बांके चेंगलोपु पिनिपेन चेथान चिमुंगो.
Samsing Ingti's report from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.